Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique, and it is Try It Out Tuesday. So today I'm actually going to be trying a product, and the product is this La Pure Eye Treatment Mask. So as you guys probably noticed, when I don't have my makeup on, I have these red circles, red bags, whatever you want to call it. Looks like someone punched me in either eye, like on my face. So I really would like to depuff this area. So that's why I bought these eye treatment masks. Now I bought these off of Amazon. I think it was like maybe $15. It was under $15. And it comes in a pack, and it has like 15 eye treatment masks in there. So they look like this. There's these little gold eye treatment masks. And so you basically take them and you put it under each eye for about 20 minutes, and it's supposed to depuff the area and make it more smooth so it looks less like you're tired, like you've deprived yourself of sleep for like, I don't know, days, hours, however, I don't know, unless like someone punched you in the eye. So yeah, they recommend that you put this in the refrigerator overnight so that it has a cooling effect when it goes under your eye as well. And I think that there's some product on it too. It's supposed to be anti-aging, collagen, and hyaluronic acid. So yeah, it's supposed to be really, really good. So we are going to try this today and wait 20 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. All right, so here we go. So they're on. I'm supposed to let it sit for about 20 minutes and then take them off, and you rub whatever remaining product is on your face and under your eyes. So we will see how it looks. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off and see what it's looking like. Oh, there's one, and there's the other. I'm gonna wipe the extra product into my eye. Ooh. And kind of dab it, wake it up a little bit. So I can tell a little bit of a difference, but not much. Like it's still kind of puffy, like right here, but it's less, the whole area is like less puffy, if that makes sense. So I think it decreased the puffiness about, I would say the puffiness is decreased like maybe 25%. But it's still like some like right here, like this area right here, still kind of red on my face, and I don't really like it, but that's all right. I'm about to get some makeup to cover up the rest of the puffiness. But yeah, so I think that it feels good. Like it's a real nice cooling sensation when you put the eye mask on, especially if you refrigerate it overnight. It feels really good. So I'm gonna give it a second, probably like 2-3 minutes, and then I'm gonna just apply like my light makeup or whatever. But yeah, this is like just the way my eyes are shaped, I guess. I actually kind of considered getting Botox, like in a tear trail area, just to kind of get rid of like the little line right here. But I think I want to try a few over-the-counter methods first before doing that. So if you guys have any tips or ideas, definitely let me know. But yeah, so that was Try It Out Tuesday. I hope that it works for some of you. It was all right for me. But yeah, so I will see you ladies next time. Bye.